Hey guys, welcome back to Thunderdome Homestead. So, the EPA is in East Palestine, as many of you know, and they have set up a makeshift dam to make a larger pool of water so they can do a process called aeration. Now, aeration is basically they're stripping the chemicals out of the water and putting it into the air. And don't worry, you're not the only one that doesn't like the sound of that. So, excuse me. This dam has busted with the pretty substantial rains we've been getting. Oh, hush, Mr. Quail. So, with this dam having issues like that, and the water is now spilling out to the creeks again. And all of this water is full of chemicals. So, we have more contaminants going down into Leslie Run, Sulphur Run, Beaver Creek, and the Ohio and Mississippi rivers. So, yeah, another stellar performance by the government. I always say, you want something to be ran as inefficiently and ineffectively as possible, you put the federal government in charge of it. Anyhow, you guys got something out of this, like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.